sweetest, sweetest choice, places devoted to the night, remote from tumult and from noise. How ye my restless thoughts delight. Oh, solitude, oh, solitude, my sweetest, sweetest choice. Oh, heavens, what content is mine to see those trees which have appeared from the nativity of time, and which all ages have revered, to look today as fresh and green, to look today as fresh and green as wonder beauty's first was seen. How agreeable a sign is hanging, mountains to appear, which unhappy would invite to finish all the sorrows here. When their heart fate makes them endure such woes as only death can cure. die.